Good morning, friends. I know many of you have already read our News to You article this week on very endangered animals. I'd like to go ahead and record our extension activity and a little fun activity afterwards. Very endangered animals. What animal is this? It's an elephant. Some animals on Earth are endangered. More animals become very endangered in 2020. Let's learn about some other endangered animals. Some animals around the world are endangered. Endangered means few of the animals are left on Earth. Scientists have a list of endangered animals. Many kinds of animals are on this list. The animals include mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and fish. Endangered animals include the Asian elephant, green turtle, poison dart frog, cockapoo, and small-toothed sawfish. What's your favorite kind of animal? Can you add that in the comments? What's your favorite kind of animal and why? You don't have to put why, just put your favorite animal. Asian elephants are mammals that live in Southeast Asia. Asian elephants live in forests and grasslands. They weigh as much as 2 cars. Whoa. They have long trunks and they can use to grab food. Asian elephants eat roots, grasses, fruits, and bark. They are endangered because some people are destroying where they live. What do you like to eat? You can add that in the comments as well. Green turtles are reptiles that live in oceans. Green turtles live in the water near many countries, including Costa Rica and Australia. They spend most of their time underwater. They can stay underwater for up to 5 hours. Green turtles eat mostly seaweed and seagrass. They are endangered because they get tangled in fishing nets and die. Where do you spend most of your time? He reminds me of the turtle in Finding Nemo. What about you? So, let's check. Who have a list of endangered animals? Is it umpires, singers, or scientists? Give you a minute to think. It is scientists.
Scientists.
Yes. What are Asian elephants? Are they reptiles, mammals, or birds? They are mammals.
Mammals.
What do green turtles mostly eat? Do they mostly eat seaweed, fish, or clams?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Poison dart frogs are amphibians that live in Central and South America. Poison dart frogs can be yellow, orange, red, green, or blue. They have black markings too. They have long, sticky tongues that they can use to catch bugs to eat. Poison dart frogs live in the rainforest. They are very poisonous. They are endangered because some people are destroying where they live. Would you like to visit the rainforest? Yes or no? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Cockapoo are green birds that live in forests in New Zealand. Cockapoo look like parrots, but they cannot fly. They have soft feathers and big beaks. They are nocturnal. Nocturnal means they stay awake at night and sleep during the day. Cockapoo eat leaves, flowers, bark, roots, fruits, and seeds. They are endangered because some people are destroying where they live. Ooh, good question. Do you like to stay awake at night? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Small-toothed sawfish are fish that live in the ocean and Caribbean Sea. Small-toothed sawfish have long, flat snouts. Sharp teeth stick out around the edges of the snouts. You can kind of see them there. They use their snouts to dig under the ocean floor. They eat shrimp and other fish. They are endangered because they get tangled in the fishing nets and die. Small-toothed sawfish are one of many endangered animals on Earth. Would you like a small-toothed sawfish for a pet? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yikes! Where do poison dart frogs live? Do they live in oceans? Do they live in rainforests? Or do they live in deserts?
Rainforests.
Yes, rainforests. What do cockapoo look like? Parrots, penguins, or flamingos?
Parrots.
What stick out around the edges of small-toothed sawfish snouts? Hair, tongues, or teeth?
Teeth.
All right, I'm going to put links to these videos in the comments for you to watch later on your own time, but we're going to go to another activity. Hold on just a moment. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
We have learned about very endangered animals. Now we can visit organizations that work to protect endangered animals. Let's go.
Let's go to the headquarters of the World Wildlife Fund in Gland, Switzerland. How would you like to go there?
I think I would like to ski there. Let's ski there. Stand up and pretend you're skiing. The headquarters for the World Wildlife Fund is in Gland, Switzerland. This organization helps to protect endangered animals around the world. What animal do they have on their sign? Can you tell me? It's a panda bear. Some endangered animals the World Wildlife Fund helps to protect include tigers, rhinos, elephants, and dolphins. Gland is in western Switzerland near Lake Geneva. Switzerland is a country in Europe. Look at those mountains. Do you think they look like they're very hot or cold? I see snow, and snow makes us cold. What body of water is Gland, Switzerland near? Thinking back on the article, I remember Lake Geneva. Where is Switzerland? Is it in Europe, Asia, or North America? Thinking back on what we read, I believe it is in Europe. All right, we've completed one stop.
Let's go to the headquarters of Ocean Alliance in Gloucester, Massachusetts. How would you like to go there?
I think I want to skateboard this time. Alliance is an organization in Gloucester, Massachusetts. That's a mouthful. This organization helps to protect whales and their ocean habitats. A whale biologist started Ocean Alliance in 1971. A whale biologist is a scientist who studies whales. Gloucester is in northeastern Massachusetts on the U.S. East Coast. Gloucester is on the coast of Massachusetts near the Atlantic Ocean. What animal does the Ocean Alliance help to protect? Thinking back on the article, I believe it was the whale. What state is Gloucester in? Massachusetts, Louisiana, or New Mexico? Thinking back on the article, it was Massachusetts. All right, we completed 2 stops. Let's keep going.
Let's go to the headquarters of the Jane Goodall Institute in Vienna, Virginia. How would you like to go there?
How about motorcycle this time? The headquarters for the Jane Goodall Institute are in Vienna, Virginia. This organization helps to protect chimpanzees, a kind of great ape. The Jane Goodall Institute is named after Dr. Jane Goodall. She lived with the chimpanzees in Africa for many years and studied them. Vienna is in northeastern Virginia near the Potomac River. A big outdoor performing arts center is in Vienna. What animals did Dr. Jane Goodall study for many years? Giraffes, elephants, or chimpanzees? Thinking back on the article, it was chimpanzees. Where are the headquarters for the Jane Goodall Institute? Houston, Texas, Des Moines, Iowa, or Vienna, Virginia? Thinking back on the article, it was Vienna, Virginia. Okay, we made our 3 stops.
Let's go again soon.
Thank you, my friends. I hope you have a good day. See you soon.